बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है, समझना है। माय नेम इज सजीदा रज़ा। आई एम स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 3 माय स्कूल एमने फैजल इस्लामिक स्कूल सिस्टम हैदराबाद पाकिस्तान। Today we are going to learn class 9 math chapter number 4 factorization exercise 4.1 question number 8 part 2. So there are solving of matter to take common multinomial formulas and combination of these three. There are some steps to solve. Use a square minus b square formula. First of all, we will solve. This 4 will be come out and x will be inside bracket, and 9 will be outside and y will be in radical. Then solve. Then second, use a minus b whole square formula. First of all, a is equal to b is equal to a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 3y. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Done this. Now make curly bracket 2 x bracket whole square minus bracket 3y whole square, curly bracket is equal to curly bracket 2x bracket plus bracket 3 bracket curly bracket and 2 bracket x bracket minus bracket bracket 3 y bracket curly bracket. Then this side will become as it is down, but this next time this curly bracket will be not come. Okay, so I am writing whole square is equal to bracket. This bracket will be opened plus this bracket will be opened minus plus minus and it's become your answer. The book answers are written. You can check it. First of all, 2 radical x minus 3 radical y minus 3 radical y, 2 radical x plus 3 radical y plus 3 radical y. Okay, no subscribe, no like, only share.